Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wal barakatuh. The report is user support and requirements of user support. User support refer to the assistance provided to user of a product or services to help them effectively use it and resolve any issues they encounter. This support can come in various forms including number 1 is customer service. Customer service, answering general question, handling complaint, and providing information. Number 2 is technical support, helping user fix software, hardware, or system issues. Number 3 is help desk or support center, centralized term that manage support, ticket, or live interaction. Number 4 is self-service resources, facts, knowledge basis, tutorial, and form. Number 5 is live support channel, phone, email, chat, or remote desktop assistant. The effective user support lead to halfer user power problem and better overall performance of the product or services. So, customer service. Ang customer service ang mga serbisyo o tulong na binigay ng isang kumpanya sa mga customer bago, habang at pagkatapos nilang bumili o gumamit ng produkto o serbisyo. Layunin nito ang matulungan ang customer, masagot ang kanilang mga tanong at masiguro ang kanilang kasiyahan. Narito ang mga pangunahing layunin ng customer services. Number 1 is pagtugon sa tanong. Ang pagtugon sa tanong, pagsagot sa mga katanungan ng customer tulad tungkol sa produkto o serbisyo. Number 2 is pagsasaayos ng reklamo. Ang pagsasaayos ng reklamo, pag-asikaso ng mga reklamo o problem na nakaraan ng customer. Number 3 is pagbigay ng support. Ang pagbigay ng support, pagbibigay ng gabay kung paano gumamit ng tama ang produkto o serbisyo. Number 4 is pagtanggap ng feedback. Ang pagtanggap ng feedback ay pakikinig sa mga suhisyon o komento ng customer para mabuti pa ang produkto or serbisyo. So, halimbawa, kapag bumili ka ng cellphone at hindi ka may intindihan sa paggamit nito, maaaring tumawag sa customer service ng brand para humingi ng tulong. So, number 2 is requirements of support. So, ang requirements of support is the key requirements of effective user support include number 1 is technical knowledge, number 2 is communication skills, number 3 is problem solving skills, number 4 is responsiveness, 5 is user central approach, number 6 is documentation, number 7 is tools and system, 8 is training and updates. So number 1, technical knowledge. Support staff must understand the product or service in details to help user effective. Number 2, communication. Communication skill, clear, patent, and respectful communication is essential, especially when users are frustrated or confused. Number 3 is problem solving skills. The ability to quickly identify, analyze, and resolve user issue is critical. Number 4 is responsiveness. Support should be timely, whether it's through live chat and email or phone. Number 5 is user-centered approach. User-centered approach focus on the user's needs, comfort, and satisfaction. Number 6 is documentation. Documentation, accurate records of user issues and solutions help improve future support and product quality. Number 7 is tools and system. So in tools and systems, access to support support, example, ticketing system, remote access tools, knowledge bases to manage and resolve issues effectively. Number 8 is training and update. So in training and update, continuous training to stay up to date with the new feature and support method. So ang technical support ay isang uri ng support ng serbisyo na tumutulong sa mga customer kapag sila ay ang technical na problem sa isang produkto. Karaniwan sa mga elektronikong kagamitan, software, or system. So, ang mga halimbawa ng technical support is number 1, pag-ayos ng error sa customer o software. Number 2 is pagturo kung paano mag-install ng program o application. Number 3 is pagtulong kapag hindi gumagana ang internet o network. Number 4 is pag-reset ng password o pag-access ng account. So ang help desk o support center ay isang sentralisadong serbisyo na tumutulong sa mga user o customer na may mga tanong, problema o issue sa isang produkto, serbisyo o system. So number 1 is help desk. Ang help desk tumutulong sa pagsagot ng tanong, pag-ayos ng maliit na problema o pag-reset ng password. Karaniwang unang level ng support, halimbawa, may problema ka sa pag-login sa email mo, tatawag ka sa help desk ng IT. Number 2 is support center, mas malawak kaysa sa help desk. So, ang help desk o support centers tumutulong sa pagsagot ng tanong, pag-ayos ng maliit na problema o pagre-reset ng password.